Hi everyone, I'm making today a video of Club Factory haul. So I purchased these things from Club Factory. I paid around 950 rupees. So my review was is based on how the quality is and what I paid. As you can see, these are the ear pearl earring, which is when you open a Club Factory app, you can just see this one. What I have to say about it, this is nice. I paid around 40 or 50 rupees and I feel okay. It's very thin. This one is okay type of, not very great, but still okay what I paid. And now this is a very famous necklace piece. This is nice, but I found it, the quality is not great. As you can see, there are scratches here and there, and I'm not happy with the quality. The second one is again very common. This one is choker necklace, star moon one. This is good. I can see this one is thumbs up. The next one is this star and moon. Again, the quality is not that great. You can see the gap between these and they are black. They are not as good as they are in the picture. Again, this one came damaged. This one I paid, I think this one is the costliest one. I paid in 120, around 120. And there is a missing, you can see here there is a missing stone. But after wearing it, it was very beautiful. I was waiting for this earring actually. And yeah, it's good, but bad luck. There is a missing stone. The second one, this one was a big blunder buy for me. I don't like it, though I have read the comment that it's very nice. It's nice in quality. When you wear it, it's not stable. It's just wobble here and there. So I for me it's big no. Why? Again, this one is a very nice, but the thing is, I just wore one day and I hurt myself because it's very pointed. It's very pointed and it looked good on wearing, but again, I just hurt myself with this. This one is good, but I can do something about this and I can wear it. This one is good. Then again this one. This one is very nice earring. I just love the danglers, and you can see how nice they are. They are sparkly, no gaps between them, and it's a nice buy for me. And here comes a necklace. This one is very beautiful, light, and I just love this one. This one is very elegant looking, so you can go for this. This is also big thumbs up. This one is also big thumbs up. This one is okay. This is big no. This is also not, I'm not very happy because there are a lot of scratches in it. And this one is big thumbs up. This is no. and this was beautiful. After wearing it's very nice, different design, but my bad luck that it is damaged, it came damaged. This one is okay, good one, but it's very pointed. It's not safe wearing it, but I have to use it anyhow. So this is my glove factory haul. You can just see once close-up view. Hope you get the idea about it.